Welcome to QFlow. Let's start by logging into your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll land on the POS page. Click the Home button in the top left corner to open your main management area. From the left side navigation bar, select Table Management. This is where you control your club's layout and rates. Now let's add a new table. Click the purple Create Table button. For the table name, we'll enter WeRocka. For the floor or category, let's type Snooker. Under Table Theme, ensure Snooker is selected. Now let's set the rates. In the Rate Calculator, enter 5 in the Rate Per Minute field. The system automatically calculates this as 300 rupees per hour. Everything looks good. Scroll down and hit Submit. You'll now see your new WeRocka table listed right here in your table management list, active and ready for play. Finally, let's head back to the POS page. As you can see, your new WeRocka table is now live with a rate of 5 rupees per minute, waiting for your first customer. And that's it. You've successfully added a table to QFlow.